Want to give a family member access to your Chase credit card? If you're worried about managing their spending, you're not alone. Today, we're safely adding an authorized user to your Chase card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. An authorized user gets their own card with their name on it, linked to your account. You remain fully responsible for all charges they make. Step 1. Find the Authorized User section. Log into your Chase account and select your credit card. Go to Account Management, Authorized Users, Add Authorized User. Step 2. Enter their information. You'll need the authorized user's full legal name, address, and social security number. Chase uses this to issue them a card and may perform a soft credit check. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: set spending limits for peace of mind. For most Chase cards, you can set a spending limit for each authorized user directly from your online account. This is a fantastic way to manage budgets and control spending without having to constantly monitor every transaction. So, just like that, you can share your credit card benefits while maintaining control. Adding authorized users strategically goes a long way in managing household or business expenses. Now I'm curious, who did you add as your first authorized user? A spouse, a child, or maybe an employee? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.